Hi, we have just got the stock Betta brownorum from Venu. So we will unbox that. First one is we have got this in the box like this. Okay, I have just opened the box. Now you can see the first one is Betta brownorum. This is male. You can see this is beautiful. Yeah, we will try to acclimatize it. So this is the male. And coming to the next one, this is female. You can see female is bit smaller than the male one, but this is completely healthy. Now we have to acclimatize these two for two things. One is temperature and one is pH. So the pH in this has to be matched with the tank and temperature has to be matched with the tank. Okay, we have to do this, otherwise if you suddenly put that into the tank, so what will happen is there will be temperature shock and there will be pH shock. Now we need to slowly acclimatize this for temperature and pH. Okay, so I am removing the cap from the enclosure. I am keeping this aside. Now we will slowly move the fish into the tank. First we will try to acclimatize it. So this is female. Yeah, this fish I have got from Malaysia and this is sourced to me by Venu. By putting this like this into the system, slowly the temperature of this pack will match with the temperature of the tank. Okay, this is the female. And I am opening male now. This is the male. Sorry, this is male and this is female. Now we just introduced male into the tank. Now I am trying to introduce female. You can observe male is bit larger than female. Yeah, now we will wait for some time so that the temperature will match, will get equal. So, and also I will do one thing, I will slowly introduce some tank water into the pack. So how do I do that? I am getting a small container like this. Okay, so I'm using this container. I will slowly put water, very small quantity of water into this one. Okay, I have put small quantity of water into this and small quantity of water into this. Now I will wait for 15 minutes. Okay, after that we will put some more water. Yeah, this is male. You can see male is bit bigger and lightly colorful than female. Maybe after introducing the tank it develops more color. And this one is female. This is a bit lighter and bit smaller than the male. It also develops color but less than the male after we introduce this into the tank. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, while the bettas are being acclimatized, let's try to measure the pH and TDS of the water, tank water. Okay, so I'm taking small quantity in a jar. So I will slowly put that pH and TDS meter into it and let's check what will be the reading. I'm just switching it on. Yeah, you can see the TDS is around 256. Okay, maybe this is more due to dissolved. Normally when I put the water before to the tank, the TDS was around 50. Okay, now the tannins are released. Because of the tannins the TDS has been increased, not because of the solids or any salts present in it. Most probably this increase in the TDS is due to presence of the tannins in the water which are leached out because of the almond leaf. Okay, now let us try to measure pH. Okay, I'm switching it on and let's check what is the pH. Yeah, now it is showing 9 point. It slowly comes down and I will show you the reading. You can see now the pH is settled down to 7.44. It means it's slightly basic, but I think this is the maximum we can achieve in my area, the conditions in my area. I don't think we can achieve more than this, but this fish has to breed within this. But I will definitely try to reduce the pH and look into some sources. Are there any other ways to reduce the pH? Yeah, now it's more than 15 minutes. I will try to introduce some more water, slight quantity of water into the bags again, so that they will get accustomed. Okay, I think the fish are looking good and they are ready to be gone into the tank. Okay, so you can see these are good, looking good. Okay, we'll wait for 15 more minutes and try to put some more water into the tank. Yeah, it has been 30 minutes. Both male and female are looking great. I think they have become active. Now let us pour some more water into their packets. Okay, this is a male and this is a female. Okay, and let's wait for another 15 minutes. So you can see this is a male and this is a female. Both are looking healthy and active. Within this 15 minutes, I'm going to grab some Daphnia for them. I will just go my home. I'm in my clinic now. So I will just go to home within 15 minutes. My home is very nearby and I will get some Daphnia for these guys. So as soon as they enter into the tank, they can feed on some Daphnia. You can see here, I have got some Daphnia in this container. So let's introduce this Daphnia first. Okay, you can see there are a lot of Daphnia in this. We will not put all of this. We will put very small quantity because we don't want to overfeed them. Okay, we will put small quantity of Daphnia by the time they get acclimatized. Okay, this is the container. So slightly pour very small quantity of Daphnia into the tank. You can see here, Daphnia is swimming. Okay. Yeah, let's introduce some more Daphnia. Maybe this corner. Okay, I think that's enough. That's more than enough for today. We will not overfeed it. Yeah, it has been one more 15 minutes. So I will try to acclimatize them again. I will pour some more water. Okay, this has been 45 minutes. Okay, let's pour some more water into male and also some more water into the female one. Okay, let's wait for 15 more minutes and introduce this fish into the tank. Okay, I think it is more than enough for a fish to get acclimatized for both pH, TDS and also temperature. Let's catch up after 15 minutes. It has been 15 minutes. We need to wait 10 more minutes to introduce this into the tank. But you can see this female one is trying to catch the Daphnia within the container. Yeah, it is in a polythene bag, breathable polythene bag. Daphnia is outside, but it is still trying to catch it. And the same thing with the male as well. Male is also trying to catch Daphnia, but it is inside the breathable bag. Daphnia is outside the breathable bag. So let's wait 10 more minutes to introduce these species into their biotope. It has been more than 1 hour. We have acclimatized it. Both male and female are looking active. And the Daphnia is scattered all around the tank. This is 18 inches into 1 feet tank and the height is about 7 inches. Uh, Small amount of Daphnia, we have not introduced more, but it has scattered throughout the tank. This is female and this is male. Let's introduce the female first. So normally people suggest to bring out the only fish and introduce it to the tank. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to introduce this fish into the tank along with some water in which the fish has. Now we can do this. Female is introduced. Yeah, it's gone. it went into hiding. We are not able to see it now. He is somewhere here. We are not able to see that. Now let's introduce male. This is a male. He is bigger and slightly wider. And it has more, the wings are not the wings. The wings are more pronounced and the fins are slightly longer and darker for this male. Let's introduce this male. Now, both male and female are introduced into the tank. Maybe they in the tank throughout the night. And now, one more important thing we need to do is these fish are very good jumpers. That's the reason we need to place a lid over it. So, I'm getting a lid. This lid will be used to trap moisture and also to prevent the petals from hanging out in order to take place. You can see the lid is placed now. There is no space, so they cannot jump now. Let's check whether we are able to find them. And the yeah, you can see here. I think this is the male and female are here. The one which is on the left side is female. Oh, we have started that similar is together now. So let's leave them. We'll catch up tomorrow for update. Thank you.
Igbokan habitats.